Deep beneath the Atlantic, an exploration drone descends into darkness. Sunlight disappears as it enters the abyss, surrounded by drifting particles and silence.
Then, its sensors detect strange sounds beyond the reach of its lights, hinting that something mysterious is hiding ahead.
The drone finally reaches the ocean floor, where ancient sediment and scattered rocks cover the seabed. Its lights sweep across the darkness, revealing something impossible, a massive geometric shape buried beneath the sediment. As it moves closer, the hidden structure begins to emerge. The drone moves closer and discovers an enormous ancient wall beneath the ocean. Perfectly aligned stone blocks stretch beyond its lights, revealing remarkable construction.
As the camera rises, massive ruins and columns emerge from the darkness, suggesting this may be the remains of an entire underwater city.
The drone discovers that the ruins are far larger than expected. Broken towers and enormous columns rise from the seabed, revealing a vast underwater city. Ancient roads disappear beneath sediment, while monumental structures emerge from the darkness, suggesting an extraordinary civilization once existed.
The drone follows an ancient stone road buried beneath the seabed, leading deeper into the ruins.
Along both sides, mysterious statues stand silently in the darkness.
As the drone approaches one, its lights reveal strange symbols carved across the weathered stone, raising even more questions about this forgotten civilization. The drone scans the strange markings and discovers the same symbol repeated throughout the ruins.
Beneath a collapsed building, it finds mysterious metallic objects preserved beneath the sediment.
Their unusual design raises an impossible question. How could such advancements exist in an ancient underwater city? The drone enters a gigantic circular plaza at the city's center.
Concentric stone rings surround a colossal structure buried beneath the seabed. As it approaches, its instruments suddenly detect a powerful magnetic disturbance, suggesting that something extraordinary may still be active beneath the ancient ruins. As the drone moves closer, its instruments begin malfunctioning, forcing it to pull back. Moments later, it discovers a hidden entrance beneath a collapsed section of stone. Carefully, the drone enters the narrow passage, revealing a gigantic underground ground chamber waiting in complete darkness.
Inside the chamber, enormous walls of ships, stars, planets, and mysterious machines.
One carving appears to show the city destroyed by a gigantic wave. Another depicts survivors escaping aboard enormous vessels, suggesting the people of this lost civilization may have known their city was doomed. The drone discovers a massive stone map showing distant lands and mysterious locations. Several markings seem connected to ancient ruins known today. At the map's center, the drone finds same strange symbol repeated throughout Atlantis, revealing a possible connection between this lost city and civilizations across the ancient world. At the chamber's far end, the drone discovers a gigantic sealed doorway. Beneath it, a narrow opening provides a way inside. Beyond the entrance, the drone enters a hidden vault filled with enormous stone containers arranged in patterns, revealing another secret preserved beneath Atlantis.
At the center of the vault, the drone discovers a mysterious ancient mechanism surround crystal-like mineral formations.
As it moves closer, intricate components become visible. Then, after thousands of years of silence, the ancient system suddenly begins to move, disturbing the sediment around it.
As the ancient mechanism awakens, hidden symbols appear across the chamber walls, revealing a terrifying warning.
The carving suggests the city was destroyed by a catastrophic wave.
Suddenly, the ancient chamber begins collapsing, sending massive stones crashing toward the drone as it desperately searches for an escape. The drone raced through collapsing tunnels, narrowly escaping falling stones before reaching the ruins again. As the sediment settles, it rises above the ancient city. From this higher view, countless towers, roads, walls, and monumental structures the astonishing scale of the submerged civilization. From above, the drone discovers the entire city follows a precise circular pattern. At its outer edge, enormous defensive walls emerge from the seabed. But beyond those walls lies something even more mysterious, a vast unexplored structure disappearing into the darkness, waiting to be discovered.
Beyond the outer wall, the drone detects a powerful signal beneath the ocean floor. Its battery begins falling rapidly, forcing the mission toward an uncertain end. Before leaving, it captures one final image, a colossal, mysterious symbol buried beneath the ruins, identical to those found throughout the city.
As the drone begins its ascent, scientists' Riambul matches markings at ancient sites around the world. Far below, something remains active in the darkness.
Atlantis may not be the end of the mystery. It may only be the beginning